three variants: Samsung S21, S21 Plus and S21 Ultra. The Samsung S21 Plus comes in a small, cute box and is environmental friendly also. S21 Plus is the mid variant and I am going to unbox this amazing product today and give my first impressions. There are only few things inside. The box comes with the mobile phone, USB-C type charging cable, user manuals and the SIM removing tool. That's it and there's nothing else. Let's now remove all the stickers. Globally, S21 Plus comes in 6 color variants. In India, we have 4 color variants: Phantom Pink, Phantom Violet, Phantom Silver and Phantom Black. Finally, I have got the phone in my hands and it looks very sleek. And it has got the Gorilla Glass Victus on both sides and attractive aluminium frame. Also to add, the Gorilla Glass Victus reduces the amount of scratches. Memory, there are 2 variants: 8GB RAM, 128GB hard disk and 8GB RAM, 256GB hard disk. Now let's check out the display of the phone. It looks so bright and beautiful with its 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display and supports full HD. Refresh rate is 120 Hz, which is very good for graphics intensive applications. The screen is so bright that you can see the screen clearly even under the sunlight. The phone is waterproof, so you don't have to worry when you're playing in the rain. The phone has got good sets of sensors that include fingerprint, face detection, accelerometer, barometer, proximity, etc. The phone works on the latest Android 11 OS and Samsung One UI 3.1. This phone has got a powerful octa-core Exynos processor in Indian variants and a Snapdragon processor in other variants. The S21 Plus has got a strong 4800 mAh battery and charges very fast. It also has reverse wireless charging. I can even charge my iPhone 11 Pro with the Samsung S21 Plus. That's so cool, right? The phone weighs around 200 grams and it feels very light in my hands. The phone supports 5G connectivity. That means you can get internet very fast. The phone has got stereo speakers which makes the sound quality really good. Let's check out the sound. The S21 Plus features 3 cameras towards the back, a 64MP telephoto lens that allows to use 3x hybrid optical zoom and 30x digital zoom. Then there is a set of 12MP sensors consisting of wide and ultra-wide angle shooter. The phone has has a 10MP wide-angle selfie camera which helps us to take really good selfies. Let's check out some of the pictures I have captured. Wow, this camera is capable of capturing crisp and clear images. The camera features include digital zoom, auto flash, face detection and many more. There are a variety of shooting modes like continuous shooting, HDR mode, burst mode, etc., which makes this camera one of the best in this segment. This camera is capable of recording in director's view that helps in vlogging. The director's view can be enabled in all the three cameras. One of the best things I like in this phone is the gaming capability. Its super cool graphics along with the super fast processor makes S21 Plus one of the best gaming phones in this segment. All the games can be played in the highest graphics mode. Let's try out some of the games in this phone. Let's compare some shots from iPhone 11 Pro and S21 Plus. Both the phones takes amazing pictures, but the S21 Plus has got many more camera options. This phone has a dual nano SIM slot and we can use eSIM also. And it's time to sum it up. So what I like in this phone includes super cool gaming, great camera, amazing display and this super fast performance. What I really miss are 3.5mm audio jack, support for S Pen and no expandable storage. Thank you friends for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like,